Okay, one bit is you need to use a bracket to attach this to the overflow tank. You might be wondering where it is, it's actually inside. So I'm using this. This is going to be annoying. Okay, so I took the positive turmoil off. Doesn't feel massively tight, but I guess that's where the bracket comes in. Now this has to go down in there. Thankfully there's enough wiggle room. I need to stick this bracket down. But the thing is though, it's like it's not long enough. The shape doesn't quite match up, but hopefully it's enough. I might have to take it off and rebend it or something. That doesn't sound good. Don't like that. Don't really want to break it. I'm going to take this off for now. And I'm going to bend it into the right shape tomorrow. where the bracket went down for this. Okay, so this is the bracket for mounting the, well, more securely securing the cold air intake on the front of the Mazda, and that goes on the existing bolt, and on the side you've got the cold air intake here, and the side of it comes down flat for quite a while, so it fouls on this bit of this bracket thing. I did try putting it on. It had a little bit of a crunch. It is fiberglass, the cold air duct, so I didn't want to force it more and basically crack the side of what I'd paid a fair amount of money to import. So I'm going to try and flatten this out basically. So this contraption, which looks hilarious, is one of my wife's tools for jewellery, for metal forming. So I'm going to try and put it in here. Basically just try and flatten it out. I measured down from the side of the cold air intake and from the centre of the hole down to the bottom of the air intake, well, the bottom of the duct was 30mm, which is, yeah, sort of roughly halfway down this twist. Another thing is that the twist should be 90 degrees. I'm not sure if you can see that, I'm going to try and line it up, but it's supposed to be 90 degrees and it's over. Which is good in a way, because when I flatten this out, it should take out that twist a bit. So, going to give this a go. Right, a little bit of whacking. It's going to smash up the paintwork, but at least it's not going to, I mean, if I need to repaint this, that's fine. If the fiberglass duct is cracked, that's not fine. I mean, it's repairable, but repainting this is better than trying to repair a bit of painted fiberglass. Sort of flatter. Okay, so it's flat this way, and it is flat down there, the 30mm, the required 30mm, and I mean flat to flat, rotationally, that is roughly 90 degrees to that now. See, the shape of it is different in that this part doesn't come straight down, but maybe it doesn't need to come straight down. Depends on what's going on this side. But yeah, I think I'll go have a look, see if that will work. Sort of offer it up, have a look. Okay, so let's see. So this bracket, see that isn't 90 degrees to that. Might explain, well, probably does explain the twist on it. about 15 or 20 degrees. I'll probably just twist this up with pliers or something. Okay, so I'm going to try and put the twist back into this lower section. So this one's fine for the side of the air duct. This one, because the air duct isn't straight back and forth, it's like sideways, you need to put the twist back in this bottom bit. So I'm going to try it on this bit of ice, using it as an anvil, kind of. Doesn't look like that's working. Yeah. I think it might be alright, because I remember the screw that goes in here, the existing screw that's on the little tank inside the front of the car, that was like really long, so I might be able to just sort of like pull it in with this one in place. Right, I've got to go find a nut for the screw washer nut assembly that goes on here, because I lost it when I tried to install it the first time. It dropped under the car, I couldn't find it, so I'm going to have to find one then. Okay, I've got a bunch of screws here, so hopefully got a nut to fit. So I got the screw and a couple of washers here. Seems good. Okay, so I'm going to wrestle this out.